Mr. Pugh, I'd like to start by asking you some questions, if I could, about truck parking. You know, obviously, we're always concerned about wasteful spending here, and as we should be, when dealing with federal government and the way we spend the money. But with regard to Truck Parking Safety Improvement Act, what would you say to lawmakers that are more concerned about the money that's being involved for the parking and what the advantages of spending that money would be compared to not?
Thank you for the question. And yes, I understand everybody's concerned about spending money. I have a huge concern about money being spent in Washington as well. We want money spent on good things that give us good results. As I said earlier, if we're really concerned about safety, first thing and most important thing is the driver should have a safe place to rest every single solitary night. We're at a place in this country where there's one safe spot for every 11 trucks. I'm sure Mr. Bost is well aware of the accident that happened just north of his district on I-70 last year when a trucker was illegally parked on an exit ramp and was rear-ended by a Greyhound bus at 3 in the morning. Unfortunately, that trucker was left with no choice where to park. Every day in this country, every single solitary day, truckers are left with the decision of one, to either park early and take money away from themselves and their family because they are paid piecework and by the mile, the most of them. So they either park early at a safe place, or two, they try to roll down the road and find a safe spot before they run out of hours, because they're governed by hours of service, and hope to find a safe spot. And then if they don't, they're left with two choices. Either they continue to drive and break hours of service and be in violation and can receive a ticket, or two, they park in an unsafe place and pray to God that they wake up the next morning without anything happening to that buster. So what we need to do is reallocate some money. We put plenty of money into enforcement and other things to rate these drivers violations for breaking hours of service. So I think we could probably reallocate a little bit to give them a safe place to park.